back to another video with aka Mama Pain. Thank you for joining me on today's video, and it's not going to be a super long video. I am just coming on to let you guys know I'm going to be doing full videos and video shorts. I had to take a little social media break. I had so much to get caught up on and still do. As of right now, that's what I'm about to do, is head back out to the yard and get things going. The size of this yard literally takes me about a week to weed eat and maybe a day or two to even mow the grass, and I'm talking about a riding lawnmower. So it just depends. But because it's now full-blown spring, by the way, everyone, happy spring, and I hope everybody is out enjoying themselves with this beautiful weather we've been having. I know some of you are having snow, which is crazy. Speaking of weather, this is what this video is about. I'm going to be showing you a couple of clips of the tornado warning that we were being under last week. I haven't uploaded it yet. Have been wanting to. I have no time, had no time, and I am just getting exhausted from all this work, but somebody's got to do it, right? So with that being said, I must warn you that if you're sensitive to blinking lights or flashing lights, I warn you, this may not be the video for you, because it does have a lot of blinking and bright lights, where all this lightning hit me that night. Yes, I was a daredevil. Yes, we were under a tornado warning. Yes, it was right here in my town. And here I am, being a daredevil, going out and recording this. And it was getting close because the signs were there. You can literally hear like a roaring train in the air. So it was nearby. But that's what I was wanting to show you guys, is the video of this tornado warning that we were under. That was pretty daggone scary. So yeah, I'm going to let you guys see just how intense it was. It was pretty intense. And I hope you guys are enjoying my video shorts. From the looks of it, everybody's loving the video shorts, and I want to absolutely thank the new subscribers. Absolutely have to thank you guys. Give you a shout out to every single one of you that just subscribed. And of course, I love my OGs, my originals. Thank you for being here. As always, much love. And you know, I'm getting a little rusty being on my videos now, so I better get back on it. And I do feel better. I feel refreshed in the brain. Physically, as far as, you know, chores and stuff, not. But as far as missing my videos and you guys, I need to get back on it, because if I keep taking a longer break, I'm just not going to want to get back on it. So I better get back on it. And you guys, please, if you're new, subscribe to this channel. You guys know where to go. I'm on Instagram at Mama Pain, and I have an awesome second channel called Lights Out Paranormal. I'm about to get back on that one. So things are going to get interesting. I cannot say what. But I've been, you know, cooking up stuff as I rest during the night after long days of choring and prepping and stuff like that, which I have been doing. I've been prepping. I've also, you know, brainstorming videos and, you know, write down things that is going to go on in videos or video shorts. Or just capture video shorts as it happens. Just grab the camera and start recording, you know what I mean? Yeah, remember that metal rack? I put this one in my dining room, and I still have a lot of organizing to do I've got my flowers up there, my sugars up here, my canned goods up here, and my beans and pastas up here. I would like to do something else though altogether because it's super high and I got to get up there to get my flour and stuff like that. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my canned goods down over here, and that way I could reach them, and put my pastas up here and all that good stuff. But it's awesome to have. I can't show you guys what's in front of me. That's going to be a video short. Like I said, I have bloomed a mess of videos that I need to follow, that I need to do, that I need to record. But other than that, I just want to thank everyone for joining me today. And leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about that thunderstorm. Well, it was a thunderstorm slash freaking warning tornado, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, that's what we were under. I'm going to go ahead and put that on here with this clip. You guys tell me what you think. I have been under several tornado warnings, several, and I can't show you guys the front of me, but comment down below and tell me what kind of situations y'all have been under that was scary. I've never been super scared of any. I mean, I can get scared, but I try to ignore the fear and go in it and just, you know, just gotta chill, because if you don't chill, you'll panic and then a lot of things can go wrong. So anyways, I've got to get back outside. I've got to weed eat some more. Put my sunscreen on. I bought me some, I had to buy another drop cord with the ones that I have. I should have got a 100-footer, but for right now, I got this. And also, guys, I got videos coming up of another great finds at thrift stores and at stores, regular stores. You guys, that's pretty awesome. I can't wait to show you guys that. And when I do that video, I'm going to also do a little short of that video that I will be doing. Like I said, I got a slew of videos that I want to do. And as you can see, I am excited. I'm all about it. I'm all ready. I'm geared up, okay? So you guys hadn't seen me like this in a while, I know. And you haven't seen me for like really in over a month in videos. So that's the kind of refresh YouTubers have to gain more ideas and just you know, rest that mind and the brain, because it can be crucial. It can get very stressful worrying about what is your next video going to be. I used to just not worry about it when I first started, and I just went along with whatever. But you really do have to get creative in all your videos and what have you. But again, must warn you that the rest of the video after I'm done with this right here, yep, pointing, let's see, right there. Okay, and so y'all know that the flashing lights can hurt your eyes. And this is just lightning and thunderstorms, okay? So please beware. Alright guys, well, thank you for hanging in there with me, and I'm going to go ahead and roll the videos, the clips of the thunderstorm. Yeah, we're under a tornado warning in Bolivia, North Carolina. I was awakened by the alarm at 4:15. And the skies are alive. And this is my neighbor's backyard that you see with a street light. sky smells so bad, and it is roaring. It's pretty scary. That is my neighbor's backyard with the street light that you are seeing. And lightning is bad, and this is for the Bolivia, North Carolina area, and I'm in the Bolivia, North Carolina area. Tuesday morning. I'm outside in front of my porch, and man, these skies are something else. Oh. Welcome to spring, everyone. Wow, one after another, massive. I mean, this is, sounds like they're having a war up in there in the sky. I'm crazy, I know, standing out here in my PJs at 4 in the morning recording. I'm such a daredevil. Wow. Well, I'm gonna take my butt inside before I get toasted. What did you guys think of that intense lightning and with the tornado warning? I mean, what do you do when something like that happens and you're getting awake or awoken by the emergency broadcast system telling you that there is a tornado in your neighborhood or in the path of your town or coming to your house? What does one do? I know that we do seek shelter to the lowest part of the house, but I don't know. I'm just a curious George, so I love to get out and film things such as this. Even hurricanes. I have a few videos of the hurricanes that was getting intense. So yeah. Anyways, guys, I've been doing yard work and I'm getting there. It's so hot outside, and yes, the weed eater decided to break down on me a couple of times. Yes, I'm frustrated. I finished doing the ditch, but now I have a few more things to do, so I'm waiting for Mr. Payne, which is my son. Everyone knows Ty. And he'll come home and put the lid on it because the lid came off. Then the string wanted to give me trouble. And so then I started blowing all the nasty stuff that falls off pine trees and regular trees in my driveway. That's a nightmare every year. This is all year round. But it's so much more about this time of year. And then the switch on my blower decides to, I don't know, like, it feels like an actual Monday to me. But other than that, you know, I still got some more to do. I just wanted to take a break and finish up this ending to the video so I could totally get it uploaded and onto my channel. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Send me a comment. Say, hey, what's up? You know, I want to hear from you guys. All right. Well, until then, I got other videos coming up. I got other video shorts coming up. So stay tuned. Thank you for joining me on today's video. Until then, stay positive, live a little, and don't forget to love yourselves. Until next time, peace, and please subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like. Bye, y'all.